Hi everyone, I'm General Pole and welcome to my automatic wheat farm tutorial. Wheat is a very useful resource. It can be used to feed and breed animals, which is very useful for my beef farm, which you can get here. And it can also be used to bake bread. So this here's my wheat farm. You can see the farmland that's here. We've got a composter to turn the villager into a farmer. The farmer, we have filled up his inventory so he can't pick anything up. So when he harvests the wheat, it just lays on the ground and eventually then gets picked up by our minecart and hopper below, which then deposits the wheat into the hopper and ultimately into the chest, like so. Okay, to build this farm you will need 64 building blocks of any kind. You'll need a hopper, you'll need a chest, 45 rails, 3 powered rails, 3 levers to switch the powered rails on, a water bucket, 48 dirt, 4 torches. You'll also need a composter, a hoe to till the soil. You'll need a minecart with hopper. You'll need a villager. I'm going to be spawning one in here for ease. And you'll need a bed, and optionally you can use 49 glass, but this is just optional. You'll also need 9 stacks of seeds, 8 for the villager himself and 1 for yourself for planting a few seeds in the farm. Okay, so let's get started. I have a 7x7 stone platform here. You don't need to build this, it's just for display purposes only. So in the center we're going to place our first building block, then we're going to break this block here, put a chest here, and then shift click a hopper into the chest like so. Okay, now we're going to take our rails and we're going to put our rails down. You'll have to shift click your rail into the hopper like this. And then what we're going to do then is essentially cover this entire area with rails. You can follow the pattern that I've used to ensure complete coverage, as you need to cover the entire area. And here you're going to place a powered rail and then just continue on with the pattern. And you can place another powered rail here like so and continue again with the pattern. Okay, and that is just complete. You can pause here if you want to see the pattern. Okay, next we will take switches and put them here, switch it on, and here, and switch it on just to power our rails. And that's the bottom section complete. So the next thing we're going to do is take our dirt and place it on top of all the rails. So we're going to cover this entire section, the whole 7x7 area. So we'll just cover it all in, apart from the center block. Okay, now the dirt all in place, we're going to take our water bucket and put the water in our hole in the center. This will keep all of our dirt well hydrated. Okay, now take your building blocks and put a temporary one there, and right along this edge you're going to build a wall the whole way around the farm, and you're going to build it 2 high. Okay, so it should be looking something like this. Next thing we're going to do is we'll want to till the soil and get our villager inside here. So you'll take your hoe and bring on an inventory, and obviously if you're in survival you'll want to bring your villager in via rail or water network or something along that. Oops, I've messed up here. Yeah, but you'll want to bring your villager in here anyway and then till this whole area and stuff. So we'll get this area tilled and then I'll spawn a villager. Okay, that's everywhere tilled and ready for planting, so we'll just do that here now and plant seeds everywhere inside the farm. Okay, so now we can get our villager in here. I'm just going to spawn him in like so. I'll need to till this area here again where he landed, just to tidy it up. Okay. So what we want to do now is fill up the villager's inventory. So he has 8 slots, so we need to drop 8 stacks of seeds. This will prevent him from picking up any wheat, and he'll have plenty of seeds to plant the wheat again for us. So drop all 8 stacks and he should pick it all up like so. Okay, now we want to put down our composter. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a composter along here. So just select it here and just put it on the side of the seeds here like this, and then above it we're going to put a smooth stone like so. Any building block will do, and on each side of this here we're going to place a torch. This is just to keep it well lit and to stop any mobs from spawning inside. Okay, so we are very nearly finished. So all we need to do now is put a bed down here. So we'll just stick a bed here like so. This is just to link with the villager and keep him happy. So you can see our villager is just wandering around here. So as the wheat grows, he will harvest it, and because we have filled his inventory up full, it's going to lay there. So what we need to do now is pick that wheat up. To do that, we're going to take our minecart with the hopper, put it on our rail network here, and it'll go round and pick up all the wheat that is sitting loose. Let's put this down again, and here we go. Give it a wee shove and off it'll go. So it'll go round underneath, and any wheat that's laying on the soil will go down into it, and then which will be ultimately fed into our hopper and into our chest, and that is us done. Now optionally you can decide to put glass on top here, create a ceiling. This will help protect the villager, so it's just a case of running glass along like so. It'll need 49 blocks, and yeah, like I said, it's entirely optional, but it'll stop any mobs from getting down inside the farm. Okay, one wee additional fix is to actually speed up the hopper a little. So we'll just move the bed and put the bed down there. We're going to take out this rail here and replace it with a powered rail, and a switch just to give it a bit of power. And just the extra rail will help the hopper, the minecart hopper, maintain a higher speed, and it shouldn't stop. As I noticed, sometimes it can almost crawl to a stop. So if there's any lag, there's a risk that it could actually stop. So just keeping the switch enabled here to give that extra powered rail should keep the system running a lot better. I just have to destroy this minecart here and put another one down. But anyway, it's yeah, just for longer term, I think the 3 powered rails is probably a better solution to run. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again sometime in the future. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Subscribe and click that bell. Thanks for watching.